They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. To the millions, maybe.
Morning guys, hi Bandase, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, Bandase. It is always good to have you back. Guys. Sana, a round of applause. Thank you so much guys for 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much guys for 2,000 subscribers. There's boni comments zenu. Engagement on my videos. Diabulela guys kakhulu. Welcome bethunana kwababacha. Welcome guys. So yeah, Bandase, I am back from the Eastern Cape. We came back Friday and today is Wednesday. Sana, I took a break Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I took a break from ukuvloga. Guys, I tried Ngobensemakaya and Sana in network, it was so bad. That's why I've been tata ixesha upendula comments. So yeah, okay guys, I am back from the Eastern Cape and Sana, I have this unboxing and funukuyenza. If you get yesterday and kakayivuli guys. So I think a few weeks back ne. Yes, ndanibukele i-vlog ka Mrs. Ngwane. She mentioned something about e-mic. And guys, Sana, I've received a lot of inbox on Instagram and on Facebook. Abanye, they went as far as uktata inamba yam on my TikTok. Kwibayo ban text her on WhatsApp saying bana they love my vlogs ne, but sometimes andivakali. So a few weeks back, ndanibukele i-vlog ka Mrs. Ngwane. She mentioned something about e-mic and then I DM'd her on Instagram ndabuza uba usebenzisa AEP and Sana wandixelela ubana usebenzisa AEP e-mic. Thank you so much Sana, sithando sam. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. I got ndiyithengile from Takealot. I haven't opened it and yazi Sana noba injani. Let me open it guys. Sana, I'm not sure guys, don't know unbeka this side, kumdaka and kaka clean. Kumdaka and kaka clean. Clean when I'm done unboxing this. Yeah, Kebandase. So I am taking a bit by bit. I am taking this channel serious of far and yes we too, but I am investing apha ku YouTube. Guys, uthiwa thina amaXhosa sithi YouTube. Kanti kumele sithini? YouTube. But iba funny guys once it true. Iba funny guys. So I bought mic and sana ngase by the end of the year, but I'm not really sure okay guys because in December December my little brother uyoluka. That's what I say. Wireless. On K9 wireless microphone for iPhone. Yeah, so let me open it. So okay guys, but I'm not really sure because as in the tend to be expensive. Oh yeah, but so ngapha ngisamelwe ngumgidi guys ngoDecember. Diyani invite if you are not far from Mthatha, not emzini wami guys, ilasbon yasekhaya. Ke mna ke I'm originally from Mthatha, so if you know you are not far from Mthatha or if you are willing to travel, now guys I don't mind, you can come ekhaya. You can come ekhaya emgidini. So uvula kanje ke bantase. This is how you open. Nansi guys, nazi ziphuma ziyi-2. Hey, support 1 to 2. Maybe it's for kani sebenzisa nibabini. How does this thing work? Okay guys, I want to try it ne. Ndiyibone uba ithiwani nalento. Andiyazi noba guys I'm not really sure if you are able to see, but andikwazi ukunibeka endaweni ephantsi. Ndifuna unibeka endaweni ebanzi. Wathi umama ecawe ndifuna ukunibeka endaweni ebanzi guys phezulu. Noma ziyatshajwa na ezi zinto? Ayisebenzi ngoba usuke uyilantike na? Okay, this is a cable. Iphuma ne-cable. And then nansi yona nezinto zokhipha on apha empahleni. And what is this? Okay, yindawo le. Hey, yazi guys, to be honest ne, ndincedile ndam-DM because at first I thought of ukuthenga i-mic ku-take a lot, but I didn't know bana there are specific mics for specific phones or intoni. Yabo, can you see this? This is for an iPhone. So sana ndiyazibuza uba hayibo if bendiyithengile yafika irongo. Yo guys, one thing about me ne, I don't mind buying something, but when it's time to return it, hayi ngixolela uphisa ngayo mntasekhaya if akho mntu owilling ukuyithenga. Guys, ndiyonqena ujikisa phofu ndithetha nje kune-jacket that I bought Eastern Cape Ackermans for my baby boy. Guys, I have to return it. Hayi ndizayijikisa yona yo, even though ndisonqena ndizayijikisa. So guys, let me test this and come back. Hi guys, let's hope it's working. I am just trying it out. You need light here, this green light. So I'm just testing it guys. Bana iyasebenza na. Oh, this is so awkward. Okay, let me put it here. Oh sana, let's hope it won't make those khushu sounds. And yes, okay, because I want to remove this head. Guys, sana, one of you said here last time ndicheba wathi yo uyayithanda. I'm not sure if imence or imence something like that. Sana kanene besenindibonile kwilantuka, besenindibonile apho bendifaka khona imask. Guys, I came back. I came back Friday and then ndahlala Saturday and then Sunday ndakhatha iinwele zam. Beziluma guys, andiyazi this new thing yam yongafuni iinwele uba what's going on, because this time around in city I want to grow my hair and do braids. I love braids so much. Sendingena hairline nje guys ayisakhuli anymore. It's because of braids. So yeah, I will see you many guys. I think maybe later today. I'm not really sure. Maybe later today or tomorrow morning, not morning, or tomorrow. But kuyafana. Tomorrow is Friday. Kuyafana. Maybe ngizanibona over the weekend. Tomorrow is Thursday. I will check if izinto zabantwana bam ze-lunch for lunch boxes ziphelele na, but if azikho, we will go siyozithenga. And then I need to return that jacket bendithetha ngayo. So yeah, guys, bye for now. Hi guys, molweni bantase. Welcome to another day of the vlog. Today is Friday, and I think it's something to one. I think it's something to one. Please don't ask me about turning cellular up. Imnandi xa uyeselela apha and yoku eyam yonke le ishiyekileyo. Eyam yonke guys le ishiyekileyo. I am busy frying apha emva kwam onions. I just got back from apha ekonini, our local kota zone. Yeah, benifuna ikota but kuvaliwe, so now I decided to buy, okay, let me just make pasta because I'm hungry. I don't have bread and andifuna uthenga isonka. So guys, the reason why I came here, I want to show you this finally bantase sana Google AdSense. Day yafika guys, I've been waiting for this, and then I requested for another pin because babendithumelele email etshoyo ubana I think it's 4 to 6 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks, I'm not really sure. And then babendithumelele email yobana xolweni man guys, andifuna utshisa. Babendithumelele email yobana I can request for another pin, and then even if le iye yafika still isazosebenza nalena. So finally, my husband got back from work yesterday around 5:30 to 6. So ibonwe nguye wangena nayo bebe ukhepha egeyithini. So yeah guys, bendifuna ukunibonisa guys ba finally my pin is here. Chankura zawungena. Don't skip ads. Do not skip ads. Guys, ke mna ke itamati ndithanda uyenza kanje. I'm sure no one andiqaphela xa ndiphekayo itamati ndiyenza kanje. Ngiyenza sona itomato. Xolweni guys sana, I'm trying to multitask. Ndithetha nani ngapha zimbiza. I am starving shem. Niza ndixolela, I am starving, and sana nale ilapha into amanzi wayo maninzi and andifuni uba overcooked. Let me first try this. Oh my gosh, kukho amanzi apha esinkini. Sana ndingathi I am wearing, hayibo kwenzakalani la. Yazi imbiza enkulu ke iyabhora guys. Let me put it here. Ndiyibeke esitovini esishushu and now iyazitshela on its own. So guys, bendisathi I am wearing ibonnet because andinanwele and ke ngoku intloko yam isoloko igodola sana. I am so happy for this. I am so happy. Let me first take a picture. Sure ke guys uba andenzi that khushu sound because imic yam ilapha, andithandi man xa exposed ivelile, like andikwazi noyifaka kakuhle. Hayi, ngona ndiyivulayo ke sana, ngona ndiyivulayo guys. Rhathis, suppose uba remove from this because ibhalile uba remove side edges first, bendizisokolisa. Uyabonakala umntu ongena payslip guys. Ebonakala umntu ongena payslip sana, hayibo, because ne-payslip yenziwa kanje. Ndixola ubona kweyomyeni wam ke sana. I'm kidding. Nantsi ipin. So it says Google AdSense, your personal identification number. Welcome. Your AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account isn't set up to receive payments yet. Please follow the instructions to verify your address. Sign into your AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account. Go to payments, then verification check. Enter your PIN and click submit. Further instructions available here. Okay. Please note that we will stop serving ads through your account if you do not use this PIN to verify your address within 4 months. Thanks, the Google AdSense team. Tada! Oh, I hope anibonanga i-address yam. Hope it's not like guys ikhona into eningandenza yona. Nina ningabantu bam nina. And naba bangengobantu bam. I mean, ningazofuna ntoni emntwini ongenayo ne-payslip. Guys, mandenzeni ukutya kwam ndigqibe. I am starving, ndilambile ndizokwazi ukutya. So yeah, ngoku ndishota kukwenza i-postmortem kula pill chart ndizoyifaka apha. So guys, yeah bantase, bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow is Saturday, or I'll see you Sunday nge-Mother's Day. I'm not sure, but yeah bantase. Guys, we're ready to this is a shopping center, our nearest shopping center. So ndizothenga i-plastic for my business ePep. So ngoku ndithi okay, both my husband and I silambile. So ndithi kuye makathenge i-burger okanye i-pizza So uthi yena, it's either we buy i-pizza or dibazi i-burger akazuzithenga because it's expensive. So guys, uthi I don't have my mic with me kesana. I didn't know banza vlog. So go dropa umntana ndibuyo stoka, and then I went to a salon yodropa umntana, and then uzoyondropa endlini mna then ahamba yomthatha. So uthi andidinwa na i-junk food oko besisezilalini guys. Yes, besikutya ukutya kwasendlini, but most of the time xa siye etown okanye xa sihamba besisitya i-junk food. So I think noba udikwe loo nto leyo akayithandi ke nakhe, uthanda i-home cooked meal. Qha ke ngoku silambile nyana ngoku. So uthi yena no, you must choose one not two. Kudala sizitya ezi zinto. Sana ndithi hayi mandimxele guys, am I wrong? Nam ke sana ndifuna uyiyeka i-junk and go back to the gym, but ke ndilambile ngoku and I'm craving lantuka, i-burger le yasesitiers. Hayi asayazi guys. Molweni guys, molweni enye imini namhlanje. It is another day today, and namhlanje yi-Monday. Andiyazi date guys, but yi-Monday. Ndibuyile esipilini sam guys, ndizonidika. Yi-Monday guys namhlanje. I am off to a Carnival Mall. Ndiya kwi-optometrist yam apha enenzisa khona izipeks zam, but ngoku ndiya for i-eye test yase-traffic department today. I think i-12, yeah, i-12 namhlanje, and then on the 15th of May. Andiyazi apha evekeni kodwa ndiyorenewa ilantuka i-license yam. So ngoku ndihamba ndiyokwenza i-eye test, and then I think tomorrow before ndihambe ndiyostoka ndizoqala eHome Affairs ndiyolanda i-ID yam. I just want to quickly show you outfit of the day guys. Please don't judge me. Trench coat yam guys ndibophile because ndifake i-tight and andiyithandi indlela endihleli ngayo. So this is my OOTD. I'm wearing my Puma sneakers, leggings from Mr. Price, and then this trench coat I bought it at Shein last year. And yazi guys bandibophe njani apha andiyazi nyani. And then I'm wearing my t-shirt from a Mr. Price as well. So yeah bandase masambini. I think xa ndiphuma phaa ku-optometrist ndizoya eWoolies to get i-cake on Checkers Checkers andiyazi, because Woolies cake is sana, they are so expensive. And ndizoya eWoolies to check i-cake and then i-champagne from a Checkers, yeah, to celebrate my 2K subbies. And then ndizojonga ke ngoku into zabantwana zophatha. So yeah guys masambini, andika request no request ke sana guys. Yho, ndithi uhambile sana ugesi usandobuya ngoku and zii-2:02 ixesha. Oku bumke last night wabuya ekuseni for about 10 minutes waphinda wahamba, wabuya ngabo-2 for about 10 minutes waphinda wahamba again. So ifowuni yam nje ibhetri iyatekateka. So uyabanda say let us go. And I'm so tired. I don't know what's going on. I think my body is because of that Eastern Cape situation. You guys ngisebenzile pha and umzimba wami sana uhlala ubuhlungu ngoku. I got my doctor's done for my eye test and now I'm off to Amsterdam. Hi guys, I am back from the mall. Oh. So I wanna quickly show you izinto endizithenge e-Dis-Chem only. The total basically 480. Okay. So guys, I bought the heat defense for all hair types. This thing, I think I bought it 2 months ago or a month ago, and guys, andifane ndi-installe and xa uinstalla iba ncinci imali into oyisebenzisayo. Ngobe ndiye ezilalini guys, abantwana bam bayichithile. Yho, intliziyo yam ingasebuhlungu, 130 gone and ibisagcwele. And then I am rushing because I know uba abantwana bam basendleleni ebuyayo, and once bafika apha it's chai for me. And then ndathenga this hyaluronic as the hydrating mask, hyaluronic acid plus collagen. Seza kwa Skin Republic. I bought 3, and then ndithenge Spray soft and free black castor oil. I saw this from my sister-in-law uyasebenzisa and uthi siyamnceda ukukhulisa inwele nakwinkwethu. I'm not sure ke mna about ukhulisa inwele, but sana inkwethu yam ibad. And then ndathenga this Isoplus spritz. I saw this from I was influenced by a lady on TikTok, and then this Essence lip filler, plumping lip filler, branding Essence. So yeah ke bantase, guys, sisekulonza banzaba. Sisekulonza banzaba bethunana. Thank you so much, guys. Right? Thank you guys for a 2K service. I know Nandite when we reached 1,000 subscribers, ngona nisenza i-giveaway ndathi sokwenza enye xa siku-2K. Hey, but guys, sana not wise and right because we just came back from Eastern Cape funeral. So niyayazi xa usemakhaya uba imali iyasebenza. So I think let's get to 3K, and then from 3K ayizuba ngumuntu oyi-one. I will pick 2 people abazowina i-giveaway. So yeah guys, thank you so much guys for 2K subs. I love you guys so much. I-comments zenu ndiyazibona. Everything man, my small family ekhulayo, we are growing guys, and it's all because of you. You know guys, bana le channel, it's nothing without you. So yeah bandase, let's celebrate. Niyayiva le noise? Let me check it guys, but I'm coming back. Cling cling, I am back, and it turned out to bangabo guys. This, what is this? A cake. So yeah ke bandase bendisatsho andizoyihlukudla because andifuna uba namayisi. Ooh, child. Oh guys, oh bethunana. Yeah baba, yes. Oh guys, oh bethunana. Cling cling. Cheers bestie. So yeah guys, wow. Wow. Birthday. Hayi mntanam sufuna undihlaza ku-YouTube kuthiwa andinithengeli ikeyiki. So yeah bandase, so into endizoyenza ngoku ndifuna umarinate chicken and put it on the air fryer, and then I bought my fave Woolies. Huh? This one? Okay baby, nzokupa. I bought my fave Woolies, so ndizokwenza this salad with a chicken and what else? Maybe with a rice. I forgot to buy corn. Sorry. Nantoni kanene bendisathi sokwenza this all with chakalaka. Ndifuna ukwenza chakalaka namhlanje. Kuthi nini ndiyirhalela. Guys, kune ndiyirhalela ichakalaka ndandifuna uyenza ndisesesingcwabeni but I couldn't. Okay, Ima baby, wait. Give it to me. Sapha ndifuna ubona. Sapha ahle mandibabonise. Let me show them. Yes, I even forgot yesterday it was Mother's Day. Hi baby. So no, this is for Mother's Day. So umntanam came with this from esikolweni, but ke sana niyabazi abantwana babanjani. And the second one andiyiboni because baya from the same crash. So this is for me for Mother's Day. Guys, happy belated Mother's Day. You are doing the best izimbokodo. Hello baby. Wena uyatshisa utheni? Huh? Bandase, let me see you when I'm cooking because sana kamazinyo. Oh mntanam. Hi guys, molweni sana. Ingase ngahamba ndinje mani bendichebela uba ndibe-free but ke ngoku I feel like ndizawugodola. Molweni guys, andikho sure noba nditshilo. It is another day. Today it's Tuesday. It is the 13th, I think. I'm off to the Department of Home Affairs in Albertine. Ndiyocollecta i-ID but ke ngoku sana i-problem is that isipili sam asimdaka ke sam. Dalanduka guys, I am stressing. I received SMS on the 11th of April ne. Ngoku ndandizoya emakhaya. Ubana kuthe sakhe guys phayana but ndizihlambile izitya qha I didn't pack them because ndibona ixesha baliyanishiya. Ndizozipheka when I'm back. So I received ilanduka. I received what is this? SMS for collection ID yam. But now I can't find it guys and India because the 15th seyifikile. I am stressing. I'm not sure if they will assist me or not, but I think they will. I'm crossing fingers. Ubana bande assist. Guys, I won't even show you the outfit of the day. Maybe I will show you when I'm back. But niyayazi man le lokho 11 ndinxibe ekhaya. Yo guys, ndifuna ufaka i-curly weave yam i-frontal but andizoyi-installa, ndizawufaka nje i-headband because ndoyika ugodola entloko. But I think mandihamba ndinje. I think ndizohamba ndinje, andikho sure. So guys, ndiyoyika man, what if ndingangayifumani? The electricity is back. Ubuye nge-past 10 and now it's past 12. Late guys. I am not late but niyazazi into zako Home Affairs nan. And then I searched on Google ubana how to retrieve SMS deleted. When I checked with deleted items ayikho. So ndayenza laa nto kuthiwe mandi-SMS bazawubuyela back kum bandisendele. Abakandisendeli guys, ndiyenze around 9 or 10 but sana abakabuyeli back kum and ndiyastressa because ndizayidinga guys le ID for ukurenewa i-license yam. So yeah, abantu asebenzisithi manivele. Oh, and another thing. Another thing, bantase, and I don't want to join apha on join pha esipilini. Okay, want to esipilini. But ke xa nje esipilini njongam. Okay, it's fine. So guys, most Sunday be Mother's Day. And the son of my husband was so shocked by Mother's Day. Guys, umyeni wami ke, he's not into social media, yabo. So izinto ezinjenge Mother's Day, Father's Day nezinye izinto like okay, Valentine's Day iyazi uba nge-14 yabo. So I think Mother's Day iyatshintsha if I'm not mistaken. So ezo zinto zinjalo ezo akazibambi guys. Ndiphazanyiswe SMS akazibambi guys. So he was so shocked Sunday by Mother's Day, and sana bendipholile, he didn't get me anything yabo, but bendimbona ubana akekho right kahle. So yesterday he gave me ikhadi lakhe lasebank so that I can cosha some few things for apha endlini. So xa ebuya emsebenzini later yesterday, and he was like yo, I didn't get you anything for your Mother's Day yabo, but ke bendikunikile ikhadi lam. And I was like, what? Uthi bendikunikile ikhadi lam? Did you also bekumele nenze izinto mna ngekhadi lakho ongandixelanga uba mandizenze? Guys, I fought for his card today. Ndathi awukwazi uthetha loo nto leyo sana, awukwazi uthetha loo nto leyo kum ungandinika ikhadi lakho. Sapha but ikhadi lakho. So wandinika, I'm not sure man uba ndifuna ntoni guys. Mna I'm not really sure if yinto yonxiba. I know ubana ndisafuna ubuyela, I want to go back to the gym ne, I want to lose weight. So if ndithenga into yonxiba guys, andiyazi sana, to be honest, ndilithathe nje. Maybe I will get myself something, or maybe into yalapha endlini, I don't know, just ubana ndispende for le ndingakhange ndifumanele something for Mother's Day. But shame I was not mad at all guys, like bendipholile uyabo. So undinikile ke ibaba ikhadi lakhe, undinikile guys ikhadi lakhe. So ndizawubona uba xa ndiphuma phaa eHome Affairs uba ndiyaphi, ndithenga ntoni. Let me request guys and go. Oh, I forgot to tell you yesterday that ndifumene ilantuka le nto bendiyihambele. I went to my optometrist in Carnival Mall, Osman. Is it Osman's? Yeah, to do in eye test for air traffic department. And I didn't show you. Maybe I'll show you when I'm back. But today 13, I only have today and tomorrow uba to finalize zonke ezi zinto zifunekayo so that ndizoyorenewa ilicense yam guys. Ndiyasokola, ndiyaphela ngu-Uber. Yes, we have one car, but before bendiyazi uba ndidropha umyeni wam emsebenzini so that during the day ndizokwazi ukusebenzisa imoto. So yeah guys, let's go. I think mana ndizoyifaka iweave. Mandingayifaki. Let's go guys. Good morning guys. Good morning. Today is Friday. Yo, today is Thursday. Ndandigqibela Tuesday ngotyana nsiya eHome Affairs. And guess what, son? Yo, sandifumane nalo ID, but I went back yesterday. Ndabuya nayo i-ID yam. So today is Thursday, the 15th of May. Ngoko ndiya license department to renew my license. Hey, bantase. Hey, let's hope there won't be any complications okanye mhlawumbi babe bendisale nale, because the covered because the covered guys. I think I will see you xa ndibuyayo, and I will close off this vlog when I'm back. So yeah, masambeni. Good morning. Oh, Sana, today is Friday, the 16th of May. Guys, Sana, I didn't get my license yesterday because I didn't confirm my booking. I didn't know that I had to confirm my booking. So when I got there, Sana, the boring part is that I did what I have to do yesterday. And then bazoyibona xa sifika kwi-cashiers for uba ndibhatale ubana I don't have an appointment for yesterday. I showed them the screenshot, but no, into bekumele ndiyenzile, I had to book. No man, I had to confirm my booking. It must be in PDF. Because suppose bana bayithumele via email and I didn't receive anything kwi-email yam. So guys, yo intliziyo yam ibingebuhlungu, bendifuna ulila guys. Bendifuna ulila. So now kwathiwa mandiphinde ndibhukhe again, and then izlots ezi-available zeza next week. So yabantase, I'm going back again next week license department. Sana akumdaka endlini guys, akumdaka endlini. I'm just here to close off this vlog and ndizawuklina and then ndibone uba ndenza ntoni after that. Namhlanje ku-Friday. I haven't cleaned since Tuesday. Ndagqibela uklina Monday because Tuesday home affairs. I came back late. Wednesday when the home affairs I came back late. Yesterday I went to license department and then xa ndiphuma ndaya kwifriend yam and then ndabuya late again. So yeah, bandase kungona ndizolanduka. Kungona ndizoklina today. The time now I think was 7 ngoku. The time is around 7. Let me clean, guys. Thank you so much, Bandase, for watching until this far. I hope you didn't skip ads. I hope you like it. Please, if you haven't, please like, comment down below. Noba leave a heart. Just leave a heart. Anything, and just share the vlog to your friends, your family. Yeah, Bandase. And please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys, I love you so much. Bye.